Okay, so the last step of your application is to pay the application fee. If you've stopped your application because you needed to do something else, that's okay. You can just go to apply.china-admissions.com and then click on Retrieve your application, fill in your application reference number and your email, click on Submit, and you can go ahead and continue your application. So once you've provided all the documents, you can go ahead to the confirmation section of your application. Here you will see what kind of application fees you need to pay. And here we have free programs that we applied for, so we have free application fees. So keep in mind that the application fees are fees charged by the university in order to review your application and send your admission documents later on if you get accepted. These are no agency fees, so there's no additional costs involved. You pay just as much as if you were to apply it to the university directly. So once you've done everything, you filled in your information, you provided documents and everything, and you saw the confirmation section, you go on to payment, and it will lead you to the payment section of the application. Here you see three possible ways of paying your application. You can pay by PayPal, Western Union, or bank transfer. Choose the one that suits you the most. Click on Pay, and then you see the payment instructions. In this case, you can, for example, pay in US dollars from or other currencies from outside of China or in RMB from within China using those banking details here. Click on OK, and then you can upload your payment receipt. For the payment receipt, just make sure that it provides sufficient evidence that you've paid it. If you pay by bank transfer, you can make a photo of your bank receipt and attach it, for example. If you don't submit any payment receipt, we can't review your application because it won't show up in our queue. So make sure to provide a receipt of payment. If you have any questions before paying, you can just send us an email to apply@china-admissions.com. Provide your application ID, please, and then we'll happy to get back to you and help you out. All right, so once you click Submit Payment, everything is done and you've applied successfully, and we will get back at you and give you feedback for your application. So that's already it, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask.